Hey folks, so a few of us decided to jump on and go for a run down to Nimbin the other day, which is on the northern New South Wales Queensland border. Awesome mountain views, awesome roads, nice and windy. We got a little bit of rain, but didn't really matter. Nimbin is known for its Mardi Gras, its shrooms, its cookies. We made it in and out in a day, but you know, if you want to stay longer in that short jam, go for it. Advice is free, time isn't. Get out there and lean into it. Let's get a quick coffee.
Quick coffee?
Come on.
Nice little ride out, Ricky Rick.
Busy spotty, right? Yeah, it's a busy spot.
Yeah, it is nice. Why haven't we stopped here before, Boozy? Why haven't we stopped here before?
Well, we've had a quick walk through, but yeah, it's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray. I'm moving for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe in warm if I was in LA. On such a winter's day, went to a church just a bit. I stopped along the way. Well, and I began to pray. You know, the preacher did a call. Oh, he knows I'm gonna stay. He knows I'm gonna stay. I told him so. California dreaming. Oh, somebody help me now. I wanna go so bad, yeah. With all the leaves are brown and the sky's gray, yeah. I went for a walk on a Wednesday. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day, such a winter's day, on such a winter's day, yeah, yeah. Whoa, California dreaming, California dreaming. Got to get some sunshine before I pull my line. Gotta get some sunshine. Come on, dreaming. Come on, dreaming. Oh, I just know that one day. Come on, dreaming. Come on, dreaming. Got to get to LA. When the mind don't need the sunshine every day. Come on, dreaming.
Chased after butterflies with colors so bright, and made friends with the squirrels who shared their nuts in sight. The sun shone down warm on his fur so soft and white, and he felt truly blessed in this paradise he found so nice. At night he snuggled up in his cozy little den, dreaming of adventures that would soon begin, with the stars twinkling like diamonds in the sky. He felt safe and loved down in the valley where he'd always reside.
You guys like any cooking? Brownies? Some little winter cookies?
Get your head in the window.